back to my channel. Make sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss me. Today's video, I'm just doing an easy eyebrow tutorial. It's been a while since I got my eyebrows arched, so they are definitely thicker than what they usually are. Yeah, the brow pencil that I use is like $1 at the beauty store, so it's really easy. It's not always about the price of the product. It's sometimes it's about how you use the product, because my eyebrows look pretty decent, even though they haven't been done in a long time and their shape is like completely gone, and just showing you how like I conceal them and perfect them to make them look good. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. So yeah, this eyebrow pencil came from my local beauty store. It was only $1. I'm just going to take the spoolie on the other side and brush up my hairs into the way that they naturally lay. And then I'm going to start filling in my brow, not at the beginning of it, but a little bit back. And then we're just going to fill that in following the lines of our hairline, the lines of our brow. And then I'm going to go more towards the beginning, towards the bottom. I'm going to make it a harsh line. But when I get to the top, I'm just going to do little lines, and then I'm taking a spoolie and brushing it up to move that product all throughout the hair, and also to get rid of some of the product that is thicker, just so it, I don't know how to say it, but just so it looks more natural and doesn't look super harsh and super dark. And then we're just going to repeat those steps on the other side as well. And then on this part, I'm just going in with a concealer. This concealer is just like the LA Pro Girl concealer, or the LA Girl Pro concealer, but it's a little bit different. I did do a swap on my arm, on my hand, so you can see what color it is. And then I start at the bottom, and I just sharpen up that line just to make sure that everything, I get rid of all the extra hair that isn't needed, and to conceal that, because I have not gotten my eyebrows arched. And then we just fill that in, and we're going to move the product down, and that just makes sure that the eyebrow has a more precise line and that it's more defined. And then we're going to do the same thing to the top. I usually use a darker concealer because sometimes for me it's hard to blend out the concealer at the top, but I was in a rush today, so I just kept going. So yeah, we just do that just to make sure all those lines are precise, get rid of extra hairs, and make sure everything is defined. And then I go in with my hand, and I sometimes wipe it because the concealer can be kind of like thick. So we're going to go repeat the same steps on the other side. Oh, and not to forget, I do take my spoolie again and brush up those hairs one last time. And then we're going to go in on the other side, and we're going to do the same thing. Now, as you can see on this part, I'm going in again with my concealer because sometimes it just isn't perfect. And when it comes to my brows, and especially when they're not freshly arched, I take a while to get them together sometimes. But so I want to leave this part in just so you guys can see, but on this part I went in again with the concealer, but then I put the beginning of it was a little bit too what's the word I'm looking for? It was a little bit too low. So then when you do stuff like that, I just actually went in with my eyebrow pencil again and just lightly filled in the tip of it just so it could be even to the other side. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I did go and finish my whole entire face as you saw in the beginning of the video. So that ends this tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up, of course. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.